In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test campaigns in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a campaign, create a clean A/B test, and schedule it with confidence. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to the Campaigns area. Create a new campaign and give it a clear descriptive name so you can recognize results later, like the promotion, audience, or hypothesis you're testing. You'll see options for campaign type. Klaviyo supports omnichannel, but to keep things focused, choose single channel for now. Confirm the date context for your campaign, then choose the channel type. Select email so the test is run on your email content. If you use tags to stay organized, add campaign tags here to keep reporting tidy and searchable. When that's set, continue to the next step. Now choose your audience. Under Send To, select a list or segment you've already built. If you're running a test, it helps to target a segment that aligns with your hypothesis. Just make sure the audience is large enough to produce meaningful results. Once your audience is selected, click Next. It's time to choose a template. Browse your templates, pick the one that fits your goal, and use it. Then proceed to the next step to finalize your email details. Add a strong subject line and preview text that clearly communicates value and sets accurate expectations. These two fields drive opens, so keep them concise and relevant to your message. Now create the A/B test. Choose your test type. You can test content or send time. For this walkthrough, select Test Content. This option allows you to compare different versions of your email to see which one performs better. Think about what you want to learn. You might vary the hero image, the headline, the call to action placement, or the body copy. Keep your changes focused so you can attribute performance to a specific element. When your test configuration is ready, move forward. Next, head to scheduling. Choose whether to send now or set a future time. Pick the date and time that best aligns with your audience's typical engagement window. If your audience spans multiple time zones, choose a time that's reasonable for the majority, and consider matching send time to recipient time zone if you've set that up in your account. When you're happy with the timing, schedule the campaign. That's it, your A/B test is set. After it sends, compare the results for opens, clicks, and conversions to determine the winner and note your learnings for the next campaign. Consistent testing like this will steadily improve your performance.